Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel LinkedIn subscription or LinkedIn Premium very easily. So let's jump into the video. First of all, open your LinkedIn account and from this Me button, go to your settings and privacy. Here come below, and here you can see there is an option of subscription and payments. As I haven't upgraded, that's why there is an option of upgrade for free. But if you have subscribed here, then you will find an option of premium features. Just simply click on it and then you will get manage subscription under premium account and features option, and then simply click on cancel subscription on the manage premium account page, and then click on continue to cancel on the cancel subscription page and confirm the action. Select the reason for canceling the premium subscription on the cancel subscription page, and then just simply click on continue to cancel. And at last, just click on done, and voila, you are done. You would be able to cancel your premium subscription. You won't get charged after that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.